This video is to show how to replace the shell of the SentryHound-Pro unit. These are the tools needed to replace the shell. A 1/8 inch hex driver, a Torx driver size T10, common pair of pliers, and a small flathead screwdriver. We'll also be sending you 2 rubber gaskets for replacement when you change the shell. The first step is to remove the rubber gasket on the shell of the unit. Use a pair of pliers and grab it and pull. It will be difficult to remove and you may damage the gasket when you remove it. That's why we are providing you with 2 others. You will have to do the same procedure on this side. Simply grab it and remove it. The next step is to remove the cap from the shell of the unit. Use a small flathead screwdriver and pry underneath it until it comes off. Use the T10 Torx driver to remove the 4 screws located on top of the unit. Use your 1/8 hex driver and remove the 4 hex nuts from the base of the unit. The next step is to remove the top part from the bottom part of the SentryHound unit. Carefully grab both parts and then slide out the unit to about this length. You need to gain access to these 2 connectors in here. There's little tabs on the connectors. You need to pull down on the tab and then remove it like so, and then also the second unit. Place the base of the unit upside down. You will now have to remove the 4 Torx screws from the top of the unit using your Torx T10 screwdriver. Once these 4 are removed, you will now have to remove the hex nuts. There's 4 of them from the base of the unit using your hex nut driver. Once these 4 screws are removed and the 4 Torx screws are removed, you can now remove the shell from the unit.